What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do taxes from last year. This is going to be the easiest way to run your taxes. It's going to take you less than 5 minutes. All you need is one report from Amazon and upload it to this software here. The software is free to use for 14 days. So what you guys can do is get a free trial below. It's called GoToLister. For all my OGs using GoToLister, this is going to be a really, really helpful tool. Just a good analysis of how your business is doing, but more importantly, a report that you can download in a PDF, hand on over to your CPA so you can pay Uncle Sam for last year's sales. But super simple. All you're going to do is go to Seller Central, go down to Payments, Reports Repository, and we're going to download the most accurate report. And we're going to select the date range from January 1st, 2025 to December 31st, 2025. Now, this report I used to run a consignment book business where we paid millions of dollars worth of payouts to our users over the years. And this is the exact report we used primarily because it had all the charges on a per SKU basis. And more importantly, it balanced with what Amazon paid you. So if you guys are using another tool out there, whether it's Inventory Lab, Seller Board, these are great tools. And even GoToLister, see our profit and loss tab, that's going to get you some really cool, nice data, but it's not going to balance with your Amazon payout. This report is. So this is the most accurate way to file taxes, is based on what Amazon paid you. So hopefully that makes sense. So go ahead and get that report. Head on over to the tax report and GoToLister. Click on transaction report. You're going to upload that CSV file and make sure it's from January all the way to December 31st. In this case, I just did for Q1 so you guys can see my Q1 numbers. Kind of want to show off a little bit, but I'm not going to show you my products because if I showed you my products, you guys would probably retire in a year or so. And you guys got to work a little bit harder than that. You know what I mean? So here we go. We're going to have, this is going to load like instantaneously, by the way. You guys should do this as you're watching the video. Super, super cool. And if you guys have been using GoToLister, all my loyal GoToLister followers or users, all your cost of goods are automatically going to be entered based on your batch data. And you can update your cost of goods under the inventory tab, which I recommend. And we also tell you, look here, COGS matched. If there's not, all your cost of goods aren't good to go. This should be 44 out of 44. If they're not all good to go to your inventory tab and you can simply update your cost of goods easily in the inventory tab. If for whatever reason you didn't list them with GoToLister, I list stuff on Seller Central sometimes. Let's be honest. Sometimes you got to list with Seller Central. I do shipments from China. And then I go to inventory and I add my cost of goods there. So, but I know a lot of you guys are super good with adding your cost of goods. So maybe 100% of your SKUs are already good, but we warn you up here to make sure your SKUs have that accurate data under the inventory tabs. That's what's going to make this report work. And for all my new people who are just going to get the GoToLister free trial and then cancel in a few days, you guys just want that report for Uncle Sam, I'll show you a simple solution too. Okay. So what we're going to do here is scroll down and you can see a 100% accurate breakdown of all your selling fees, FBA. And again, this is going to be more accurate than Inventory Lab, Seller Board, even GoToLister profit and loss, because this is based on what Amazon paid you. It's not based on API. Hopefully that makes sense. It's balancing based off what Amazon paid you. Scroll down here, you can see a detailed breakdown of what's going on there. And then this is a cool part. So here you can click on Add Item. And let's say you paid Frank from Little Al Prep. All my people that use Frank, you can say we paid Frank $15,000 last year. Whatever your prep center cost is, we're going to add that there. Next, let's say you got some income. You got some cash back. You guys been using that Honeycomb extension when you buy for online arbitrage, or maybe you were an affiliate for Bookmine, right? I was affiliate for Bookmine. Guess what? I don't know how much they paid me, but let's just say, they paid me $3,000 last year. Boom. I put it in the wrong spot. $3,000 Bookmine affiliate. Now, personally, for my taxes, I wouldn't add something like that in here. I only want to add what affected my Amazon business. And that's what I love about this report. And we're not going to let you touch anything or toggle anything here because all of this is 100% a true story, right? This is all from Amazon themselves. This is, I don't want you guys to edit that at all, but your cost of goods might be off. Let's be real. You might have not put them in accurately. And so what you can do is just look at your credit card statements or your debit card. Hopefully you have that number. And what you could do is down here, you could add a line item. And this is for all my free trial people who are canceling in a few days. Just kidding. Don't do that. I used to do that with other softwares. That's why I make that joke. But maybe you are just trying to get a report from Uncle Sam. That's okay. Cost of goods. And what we'll do is maybe you spent $3,331 on inventory last year, according to your QuickBooks. You could add that there. That makes sense. That way you have that accurate story down there. But your cost of goods should be good up here if you're a loyal GoToLister user and you've been tracking them over the last year. But maybe there's a little bit of a discrepancy and you want it to be really good for taxes. You could just add whatever that discrepancy is down here. Once again, I got to blur out my SKUs so you guys don't steal my products and retire within the next year. You guys got to work a little bit harder than that. But yeah, you can view top selling products. This is a very good report just, to look at and see how you're doing. But it's also good for taxes. So click on download PDF, hand that on over to your CPA, and you're good to go. Cheers, guys. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Please ask below, comment in the GoToLister community, and we'll help you out. Peace.